Now, the next topic which we are going to do is the parts of the plant. If the parts of the plant, I told that there are two basic parts of the plant. One is root, the other one is shoot. Yes. So this we will start after giving you 5 minutes break. Okay. So it is 19:15. At 19:20, you all should be there back to the class. You can switch on your camera, switch off your camera and switch off your mic, and later on you can on. Ayansh, Nisha. Okay. So coming to now the parts of the plant. Now in parts of the plant, see what happens if this is the level of the ground, or I will say this is soil. So what will happen? Under the soil, there are roots. Yes. And then there is a stem here and other different parts of the plant. So we can say that in parts of the plant, there are two basic parts of the plant. One is the roots, the other one is shoots. Now the roots which are there, it is under the soil and we cannot see it. Okay, it is under the soil and we cannot see. Shoots, they are above the soil and we can easily see. Now the shoots, this include stem, leaves, flower, fruits, bud. These all include, they are included in the shoot part. Why shoot part? Because these things we can easily see. Roots under the soil, these are the roots. And shoot is the upper part. This all part is the shoot. Now we will see the function of all these. Quickly, write it. Okay, now we move to one by one, the functions of, first we take the functions of the root. I'm deleting now. Okay, let's now see the functions of the roots. First, understand please. See, roots, as I told you, it is under the soil. Okay, so what is the function of the root? It will hold the plant upright. Can I say like this? Because roots are there, then only there is a grip of the plant, isn't it, with the soil, and so the plant will stand upright. So it will provide proper encouragement or encourage. Anchoring means holding. Anchoring means holding in a fixed position. That is the meaning of anchoring. So it will give encourage for the plant in the soil, means plant stand upright in the soil. Is that clear? Second is soil roots, they absorb water and nutrients from the soil. I repeat again, two functions are there. First function of the root is to hold the plant stand upright, that is anchoring. Second is they absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Is this much clear about roots? And there are certain roots which we eat also. Can anyone give me the example of the roots which we eat? I've told in the demo class also. Nisha.
Carrot.
Okay, carrot. Midansh.
Radish.
Okay, Krishna.
Carrot, radish, beetroot, and turnip.
Very good. Carrot, radish, beetroot, turnip, sweet potato. All these are the examples of the roots which we eat. Okay. Lower your hands, please. Okay. So roots, first function which I told, functions we are doing of the roots. So the first function I told you, anchoring. Anchoring means holding the plant in a fixed position. If the roots are not there, then what will happen? A little wind also will take away the plant. Yes? In a fixed position. Second function is absorption. Why absorption? Because the roots will absorb water and nutrients or minerals from the soil. Minerals, or we can say other nutrients also from the soil. And the roots we eat are, for example, carrot, radish, sweet potato. Sweet potato is shakarkandi. Beetroot, beetroot is chukundur, etc. Yes, Krishna?
Ma'am, may I say something more about the roots?
Yes.
And if the roots will be not there, then it will become really easy to pick up them. And,
yes.
And because the roots are there, if we want to pull a herb or a shrub, it is very difficult for us. And even if we manage to pull it, we will see some mud or soil coming.
Yes, yes. That is, they are holding the soil particles together. Yes. So you can't very easily, you can't pull any grass also. Yes. It is holding tightly. Who has joined just now with Infotech?
Ayansh, ma'am, Ayansh.
Can you please, Ayansh, you are there? Okay.
Yes.
And Pratyush, please raise your hand.
Ma'am, my dad was gone.
Okay, so coming to the next one, next is stem. We will see now the functions of the stem. These were the functions of the roots. Now we see the functions of the stem. Fast. Okay. Now coming to stem. Now what is the function of the stem? Obviously, stem is the upper part of the shoot, means it is in the shoot part and we can easily see the stem. So these stems, they might be soft also, like we have seen in herbs, or it may be very hard and strong also, like we have seen in trees. Secondly, what is the function of the stem is that it will give the support to the plant. Yes, it will give the support to the plant. Second function is that it transports the water from the roots to the other parts of the plant, and it also transports the food which is prepared by the leaves to other parts of the plant. So it is having a transport system. Okay, it is having a transport system. Like a postman, what he does, he takes the letters from one place and delivers it to the other required person. In the same manner, the stem also takes water and minerals from the roots and transport to other parts of the plant, and it also transport food which is prepared by the leaves to other parts of the plant. So it is actually having a transport mechanism. So stem, it gives support to the plant. And the second function is transport system. Transport system is that it will transport the water and minerals from roots to other parts of the plant, and also it transports the food from the leaves. You all know that the food is prepared in the leaves. Yes, this you all know. To other parts of the plant. And some stems are eaten also. Can anyone give me the example of the stems which we eat? Yes, Krishna?
Rice.
What?
Ma'am, I have not said. Others have tell.
Wait, Nisha, you have not raised your hand. I have not taken your name. Why you're speaking in between?
Ma'am, may I say now?
Yes, Krishna.
Okay, ma'am. Stems that we eat are potato, ginger, turmeric, etc.
Yes, potato, ginger, sugar cane also, etc. Okay, these are the stems which we eat.
And ma'am, another interesting fact about the stem is that even though stem is in the upper part of the plant and potatoes and gingers grow in the stem, they
underground.
grow under the ground.
Yes, they are underground stems. So here I can write food is made by the leaves by the process of photosynthesis. Now we move to leaves. So leaves function, I've told you just now also, here also, that the leaves, they prepare food by the process of photosynthesis. Shall I delete now? Nisha, shall I delete? Okay. Ayansh, done? Okay. Coming to now leaves, we have to see the function of the leaves. We all know that the leaves are green in color. Yes. Can anyone tell me why there is a green color, due to which pigment the leaves have green color? Yes, Medhansh?
Chlorophyll.
Yes, the leaves are green in color due to the pigment called chlorophyll, which is present in the leaves. Okay. And the leaves, they prepare the food for the plants and for us also by the process of photosynthesis. And in this photosynthesis, what it requires? It requires carbon dioxide from air. It requires water from the soil. Then in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, it forms the food. And oxygen is released. This is the reaction for photosynthesis. I repeat again, leaves are green in color due to the pigment called chlorophyll, which is present in the leaves. And the leaves prepare food by the process of photosynthesis. What is this process? In this process, carbon dioxide from the air leaves take, and water they take from the soil. They combine. This chlorophyll and sunlight is required, and we get the food, and oxygen is released by the plants, which we take in. Yes, Krishna.
Ma'am, may I tell another important function of leaves?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. When there are excess water poured by humans on the plant roots, then the leaves,
Remove the excess
yes,
water.
ma'am, remove the excess water by the process of
Called
transpiration.
transpiration. Yes.
And transpiration means just like we humans sweat.
Yes.
And what is removed from our body, same for plants. Plants,
yes.
They also sweat in arid climates.
Yes. Yes. Good. So the leaves which we can eat, examples are like lettuce, spinach, mint, coriander, etc. Done. Now we move to the next one, that is flowers.
Cannot see your screen, ma'am.
Others also can't see my screen, or they can see? They all can see.
Can see.
Okay. Flowers. Flowers, we all know they are beautiful flowers. They are colored flowers. They have colored petals, and they have fragrance also. Yes, we all know about flowers. So these flowers, we also known as the reproductive part of the plant. Always remember, the flowers are the reproductive part of the plant. They are colored petals. They have fragrance. That is why they might be used in perfumes also. Yes. And also the flowers, they are the flowers which are eaten are your like cauliflower, sunflower. Okay, these are the flowers which we consume. So flowers, they are called the reproductive part of the plant. Very important thing. They have colored petals and also fragrance. Fragrance means good smell. And the examples of the flowers being eaten: next comes the fruits. Fruits, we all know, they are the fleshy substance which is present around the seed. That is a fruit only, like mango. Mango has seed, big seed, and around it there is a fleshy substance. So this is a fruit. And the fruit which is there, the fleshy substance, it protects the seed from being eaten by the other animals. Yes or no? Yes. So if we want to write about fruits, so fruits are the fleshy substance that surrounds the seed and protect the seed. And animals eats the fruit also. Yes, we are also coming in the category of animals only. And the fruits being eaten are like your apple, mango, etc. Please join the class 2 minutes before the time from the next time. Okay. Yes, Krishna.
Yes, ma'am. May I say something more about fruits?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. So actually, some people have the misconception that tomato, they are fruits. Sorry, they are vegetables.
Vegetables.
But
They are
in
fruits.
reality, they are the part of in the plant related. They are fruits,
Yes.
and we eat them as vegetables.
Vegetables. Yes, you are correct.
Thank you, ma'am.
So what all we have covered in today's class? We have started with plants, and in that we have divided the plants into various categories, that is herbs, shrubs, trees, wild plants, aquatic plants, and grasses. Okay. After that, we have done different parts of the plant. They are roots and shoots. Roots, which are under the soil, we cannot see them. Shoots are the upper part of the soil. They are above the ground and we can see them. In shoots, there comes your leaves, flowers, stem, buds, fruits. Okay. Then one by one, we have seen the function of all these. First, we have seen the function of the roots, which is that they hold the plant in a fixed position. And secondly, they transport or they absorb water and minerals from the soil. In stem, we have seen that they are giving support to the plant. And secondly, the stems, they help in a transport mechanism. Yes, they transport the water and minerals from roots to other parts and food prepared by the leaves to other parts. Next, we have seen leaves. The leaves, they are green in color due to a pigment called chlorophyll. And also the leaves prepare the food by a process called photosynthesis. After that, we have done flowers. In that, I told you that the flowers are the reproductive parts of the plant. They have good fragrance. And fruits, they are the fleshy substance which is protecting the seeds. And we consume the fruits. We means animals. And the fruits being eaten are these. Okay. The last one is the seeds. The seeds are which give rise to a new plant. Seeds are what? Which give rise to a new plants, and the seeds are like your wheat, rice, peas, groundnut. These are all the seeds which when we sow into the soil, it give rise to a new plant. With this, we are over with today's class, and we will next continue on Saturday. Same time, we have to continue. Your homework is that you have to revise all the things as I'm going to ask you questions in the starting 5-7 minutes. And please join the class on time. Don't be late, otherwise you will miss something. Okay? Very nice cooperation from the class. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a
Bye.
wonderful day,
Bye.
ma'am. Bye, bye.
Bye.